My nigga, this is dedication. This is anti-hesitation. This a real nigga celebration. This a dime block declaration. 59th and 5th Ave, granny house with vanilla wafers. This the remedy to separation. Tupac of my generation. Blue pill in the fucking matrix.
Hey everybody, it's your girl Ayahnna. Welcome back to my channel.
No, he a genius, he just can't claim it. Cause they left him no platforms to explain it.
Hey guys, I hope everyone is having an amazing day. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing and joining the DivinelyAyahnna family. I really hope that you leave here feeling super divine, super motivated and inspired, and I want you to know that you are loved. So today's video, I am giving you a wonderful multicolor brassy look. To be honest, I am literally like feeling a lot of golds and oranges. Like it really does something to me. Like I could work with those colors really well. So I'm going to get into some more neon brighter colors soon, I promise. But I just wanted to share the little bit of creation that I made and kind of show you guys how I came across with this look. So if you're trying to recreate it, you would know how also. Honestly, I really don't have much to say in this video because this video is kind of happening right around the death of Nipsey Hussle, in which there's just like a really weird vibe going on right now within our culture, even within my household, because my husband is like a super fan. So like we just talk about so much more now. I mean, we talked a lot before, but now it's like even more. It's just really eye-opening and it's just like a lot to process. So I don't really have much to say. This video is dedicated to Nipsey Hussle and the fam. Just a little inspiration that I felt like I needed to really dedicate myself and continue to dedicate myself to my craft and continue to plan to become the entrepreneur I was set out to be, and just to really make sure that I'm making a difference within my community. Like that has always been my focus, and with us traveling, I kind of got shifted off of that, and my community changes so much that I really just wasn't sure of what it was I wanted to do. So his death has definitely been an eye-opener for me. So rest in peace, Nip. This one is for you and the fam. Peace, love, and be divine, y'all.
Dedication, hard work, plus patience. To some more of my sacrifice, I'm done waiting. Told you that I wasn't playing. Now you hear what I've been saying. Dedication. It's dedication. Dedication, hard work, plus patience. To some more of my sacrifice, I'm done waiting. Told you that I wasn't playing. Now you hear what I've been saying. Dedication. It's dedication. Look. dedication.
If it ain't congratulate, then it look like hate. If it ain't congratulate, then it look like what Nipsey. Hold up.
Dedication, hard work, plus patience. To some more of my sacrifice. I'm done waiting. Told you that I wasn't playing. Now you hear what I've been saying. Dedication. It's dedication.